home over here in Maui. Hit it, kid. To check out a trailer that the guy made himself, and he's also scratch making the dough by hand. This is Outrigger Pizza.
By far the best pizza on Maui.
Pizza in a parking lot, who knew it would taste this good?
I'd rather come to this place than a regular brick-and-mortar pizza parlor any day of the week.
It's kind of a show. You can watch them throw the pizza.
A classic pie move Philly native Kevin Lott picked up in college, then perfected when he hit the road with this cart in 2009. I love the rig, man. Who built the pizza oven?
I did.
Did you really?
Yeah.
What temperature you running, 7?
700.
Yeah. What kind of wood are you using?
Chiave wood, which is just a tree right
So
here.
the local native hardwood?
Yep.
It brings out that smokiness in the dough, more of a flatbread style.
And a lilikoi pork.
The lilikoi pizza tastes like Maui.
It's got the nice pulled pork and has a nice little lilikoi glaze.
Lilikoi? What is lilikoi?
Lilikoi is a passion fruit.
Now we're going to dry rub the pork butt.
Coarse black pepper, cumin, chili powder, garlic, onion powder, parsley, and quite a bit of salt. We're gonna mix this up.
Generously rub this on the pork.
Yep.
This is awesome. Okay,
Cup of water,
so a little bit of braising liquid.
pop it in the oven.
And how long is it gonna go?
3.5 hours at 350.
Pull it out, let it cool, give it a little shred.
Yep.
Pork's done, dough's done.
So put a little flour on our dough ball. And then we're gonna press it out without touching the edges.
So you can build a little crust. Boy, that's some loose dough. Look at that. A little centrifugal force, a little semolina for some ball bearings.
And then we're gonna do a garlic aioli base. A little bit of garlic. The pork, Maui sweet onions, sweet bell peppers, mozzarella cheese, a little bit of Romano.
Well, that oven's hot, buddy.
And they only take about 90 seconds to cook.
What a great setup. That is a gorgeous looking pie, dude.
We'll do some fresh Parmesan. And here's our specialty, the lilikoi.
Beautiful pizza. It's dynamite. The crust is too legit to quit. Not too much cheese. Nothing's overdone.
Right.
When you do get the little bite of pork, you love it. When you get a little bit of the pepper, you're down with it. Really dynamite pizza.
It's an incredible experience. It really is. We're very lucky.
You can't get pizza that good at most restaurants.
And I'm doing it right here on the trailer.
Well done.